Hey, welcome to Booze Hive. The Pornstar Martini is a classic cocktail, but to make it better, here's how you turn it into a slushie. Add lime juice, passionfruit liqueur, vanilla vodka, or normal vodka and vanilla extract, passionfruit simple syrup, then top it with ice, and blend for about 10 seconds. There you go, a refreshing Pornstar Martini Slushie. Don't forget to garnish with half a passion fruit. If you plan to try this recipe, give the video a like. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next drink.